my gosh, this is like actually my first real vlog on the Ninja this year. Took long enough, huh? So the last video I made was I was scooting around town with Tiger Paws, and he was so gracious enough to let me wear Cookie Monster. It was so much fun. It is really hard to describe what it's like to wear one of his helmets. It's the second time I wore it. The first time was Hello Kitty. That was really cute. And so much fun. You know how you put on gear and the boots and the jacket and you just feel like Superman, like a superhero with a cape and everything, and well, it's like 100 times that when you wear one of his helmets. And it's amazing. Like, everybody's breaking out their phone cameras from their cars and the sidewalks, and people are just smiling and kids are laughing, and it's such a great feeling to just ride around normally and just brighten up people's day. It's just it's just so amazing. It really was. I just had this smile on my face all day. And then of course Tiger Paws also wore his Jack in the Box outfit, and we hit a couple of Jack in the Boxes to get people's reactions. It's pretty epic.
What's up, guys? Thanks for coming by. Hey, thanks for coming by. Appreciate it.
No problem, man. You make the best time.
Hey, good day, sir. How's it going, man?
You look a lot taller on TV.
I'm sorry. I put a few pounds on. I'm Asian. That's why there's Asian teriyaki bowl. And where else did you find sweet and sour sauce? Jack in the Box is Asian. Stop it in. You don't enjoy my salad?
I'm going to put this on top of my pan.
Maybe that's something I should add to my menu, huh?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Good idea. What is that?
The spinach and sprouts.
Spinach and sprouts.
Thank you.
And yeah, Jack in the Box is pretty funny. But we got biggest reaction from Cookie Monster and Elmo. Oh yeah, so what we did was Elmo and we went to KawaiiCon, and we didn't actually go inside, but we just stopped in front of there, and just people just went nuts. I'll show you a picture of people taking pictures of us, and it's just like, I feel like a superstar, you know, when you're wearing these helmets. It's like, it's so much paparazzi action going on. So funny. So funny. So I'm supposed to meet Jen here. Let's see if she's here. The chevron.